may not actually have the words to express the stories in our body. My name is Tina Smith. I am a registered social worker and psychotherapist, and also the director and founder of Selah Treatment Center. When I reached out to United Way to talk about this unique opportunity outside of traditional talk therapy, it was a program that met people who didn't necessarily know the words or are able to speak their story. Dance movement therapy is an experiential nonverbal treatment method that allows individuals of all ages to process their story without having to sit on a couch. So people hear the word dance, and the assumption is that you have to have some training or background in dance. It's actually opposite to that. So United Way came to financially support us with this group. It's more of a pilot group here in the city of Woodstock. So United Way came on board and said, let's try it. And our population that we're working is high-risk youth. So youth that are really struggling with mental health. We're an underserviced county for mental health, particularly our mental health, but very much for youth. So a lot of youth don't know where to go. Families have to work, so mom and dad have to work, so kids are often isolated. Kids are left to figure out things on their own simply because the variation in the economy. The greatest resource is having highly trained professionals to be able to understand and provide the support. Because outside of that, truly mental health is the relationship with the people. We have an individual, and she is in her 60s, and she has been coming and doing dance movement therapy. This individual has been engaging in stories of her childhood that she was never able to engage with before. It's almost like this beautiful family experience because she is changing and she feels seen, she feels heard, she feels welcomed and able to engage in such a deep connected story to her past, where she's expressed it in emotions, she's expressed it through connection. It really is something impressive to see around what it's doing for this individual. We want to thank United Way Oxford for giving us this opportunity. I've had years of experience in working with other organizations with United Way, and I know that they're so beneficial to our community.